Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360. That protects electronics and you. Remove the detachable hard drive, faceplate, and any memory units so they don't get damaged. Once done, flip the console and peel off rubber feet to reveal case clips. Use a thin plastic pry tool to lift the seams. Make sure to rotate focus between clips so you don't warp plastic. These first actions expose screws and tabs you'll need to address next. Now you'll remove all visible screws, including Torx screws hidden under labels and rubber plugs. A T8 and T10 set usually covers them. Once screws are out, gently pull the top shell while releasing internal clips. Work along the seam from one end to the other to avoid cracking. Make sure to watch for ribbon cables when lifting panels. Keep screws sorted in groups so reassembly is straightforward. And verify no remaining clips are holding the halves together before fully separating them. Finish by fully separating the shell halves. Lift at the seam and slide sections apart. You'll feel clips release in sequence. Make sure no cables remain connected and set the shell aside on a soft surface. If a portion resists, stop and recheck for missed screws or tabs. Forcing it risks breaking plastic. One key troubleshooting tip: if the case won't open, loosen surrounding screws a bit and then use a plastic spudger to pry clips free. Never use metal tools that can scar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.